Hello all, welcome to Ricky Talks. In today's video, I am going to tell you all about the kiwi fruit. I'll be telling all the benefits of the kiwi fruit, at what time it should be eaten, and how many calories are present in it. Is the whole fruit good or the fruit juice is good? And let me discuss about all this in this video. Before that, quickly watch the video of how the fruit is cut. Now let's get started with the video. Whether a whole fruit or the juice, which one is the better thing? Actually, everybody is fascinated towards the juices and not the whole fruit. Please know that always a whole fruit is an healthier option. And why is a whole fruit healthier option than the fruit juice? Because in the whole fruit we have the fiber content in the pulp, and whenever this whole fruit is getting grinded, the fiber in the pulp of the fruit is also getting grinded. I think everybody know that fiber content is very important for the human being, and if the fiber content is getting grinded into the pieces when it is made into the juice, then it is no point in taking the fruit. So please make sure that we take a whole fruit. So coming to this slide, fruits contain the sugar but are generally high in fiber, which aids in the weight loss. But fruit juices have very little or no fiber and may contain the added sugar, which might stand against your health and weight loss goals. Now, how many calories are present in a kiwi fruit anyway? Kiwi fruit has got 42 calories, and because of this low calorie content in the fruit, it is weight loss friendly. Whoever is planning for the weight loss, they always choose for a low calorie fruit, and this is the best option. Apart from that, kiwi is a cholesterol free, fat free, sodium free and gluten free fruit. All these qualities of the kiwi make this fruit a better option. Now, what is the right time to eat this fruit? So, right time to eat this fruit is the first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Empty stomach is the best time to eat the kiwi fruit because it detoxifies the system of your body and fiber in the fruit and contains lots of minerals that will provide you with a day of energy. Some articles also states that kiwi fruit has got serotonin present in it, and by which the kiwi fruit increases the quality and duration of the time taken for the sleep. So some articles states that before bed, if you take this kiwi fruit, there is a better increase in the quality of the sleep. Finally, what are the benefits of the kiwi fruit? Kiwi fruit has got a lot of benefits which improves the heart health, helps improve the digestion. It's beneficial for the weight loss and helps to fight the heart diseases. It is known to create the alkaline balance in the stomach, lowers the blood pressure, provides protection against the DNA damage. It helps to clear out the toxins, provides a shield against the macular degeneration, also helps to fight the cancer. Finally, I want to end this video by telling that there is no diet that will do what healthy eating does. Thank you.